In this video we are going to learn how to run an email campaign. First of all, click on CRM. Then click on Leads, followed by Manage Lists. Lists on which we are going to run for the email campaign will be displayed here. To create new list, click on Create New List. Click on Add Criteria. And select the criteria based on which we are going to run the email campaign. After selecting criteria, click on Add Criteria, and then click on Find Leads, which will show the number of leads that follows the criteria. Select type of list, as static list or dynamic list, and give name of list. Here in static list, you can only change name of list, but in dynamic you can also change the criteria of list. Then save the list. Clicking on the list we have created will show the list of all the leads that matches the criteria. Now for creating email campaign, click on Marketing followed by Email Campaigns, which will show the list of existing email campaign. Now click on Add Email Campaign to create new email campaign. Now, give name to your email campaign. And select template according to your requirement. Or else you can create blank template where you can customize email according to your requirement. And click on Next to compose message. Here you need to select sender's email, and write the subject. To add images like banner, logo, etc., you can click here and browse the file which you want to embed in message. Now clicking on OK, image will get embedded in the message. You can change the dimensions of image by clicking on Same. Here you can create a draft by using some email personalizations given on right side. Then click on Next to proceed. Now click on Add to add recipient lists. Now select List from here. And click on Add Selected. Now click on Next to review campaign. After clicking on Next you can either run email campaign immediately or you can schedule it for particular date and time. Here you can view the summary of campaign.